Hey!
Hi!
¿Cómo estamos? You wanna learn some tricks?
Oh yeah, please.
Yeah?
Can you
Okay.
teach me?
One rope,
Yep.
2, and 3. Blow, please. Oh.
Whoa.
Freestyle is a sport, and it's as well like entertaining people. And when I see like the magician doing his tricks, I don't want to know what he's doing, because what is interesting is to be like surprised, you know. And that's what I like in freestyle. Like when you see something, or if you're surprised, that's the interesting point, you know. I think a magician is obviously a lot of work, and to make what you're doing really special, you have to be the best and to be really good. And I guess between him and I, a little bit of similar things that you can find is just hard work.
Do you believe in magic, Tom? No? Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Big ball. I'm trying just to bring a little bit of myself into the freestyle motocross, and I try to have different stuff every time, because first I get bored of doing the same thing every day, and I guess that's if you want to push the sport and push yourself and push the limit in general, you know, like you gotta bring new stuff.
In these fingers?
Big ball and
yes.
good finger, yeah.
And tack. Oh, perfect, Tom!
Oh my god!
Perfect.
And now there's a part of a show part with the magician and a show part with the freestyle motocross. So yeah, I can see myself retiring from freestyle and going to magician.
Put your hand, please. Put your hand. Yes. Wait. 1, 2. Tom, do you like your arm and your hand?
I'm so scared.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. 1, 2, 3. Oh.